Worried Google Ads demand gen campaigns will burn your budget? It doesn't have to. When you set it up right, demand gen becomes a cheap, steady assist that warms the right people and lifts your search results. Set the promise. I'll show you a clean setup that protects budget, the kind of creative, native placements actually reward, the landing page tweaks that make clicks convert, and a simple 7-day rollout you can launch this week. Why demand gen is worth using. Search captures demand that already exists. Demand gen helps you create and warm demand earlier, especially with remarketing and customer match. Used carefully, it feeds more qualified people into your brand, so branded search and high intent terms perform better. It's your secret weapon for finding new potential customers before they even know they need you. Protect your budget first. Run demand gen in its own campaign with its own budget. Start warm with remarketing audiences, people like pricing viewers, demo page visitors, cart or form starters, and layer customer match lists like target accounts or open opportunities. Keep brand safety tight from day one with category and site exclusions. Add relevant audiences like in-market or custom segments in observation mode so you see which groups respond without choking reach. Creative that earns the click. Demand gen rewards clarity and contrast. Lead with an outcome in the headline like boost your sales productivity by 30% or simplify your workflow in minutes or cut X overheads by 25% today. If you're B2B, call out the role so relevance is instant. Marketing managers or small business owners. Use high contrast images with one focal point. Produce square and wide versions so you look great everywhere. Keep the body line short and end with an outcome labeled call to action like get my free demo or calculate your savings. Landing pages that resolve the promise. When someone arrives from a demand gen placement, they skim. Your H1 should mirror the ad promise. Put the primary call to action above the fold and label it with the outcome. Drop a tiny reassurance line like takes only 2 minutes or no credit card required. Place micro proof right next to the button, a star rating or a one-line quote or a logo row. Use short or two-step forms with inline validation and a clear privacy line. Make it fast and mobile first. How to measure without fooling yourself. Don't judge demand gen on last click alone. Look at assists into search, qualified lead rate or checkout starts, and the lift in branded search performance after launch. Track cost per qualified lead and consider importing offline conversions. Keep a simple change log so you know what moved the number. One meaningful change per week is enough. To wrap it up, separate budget, warm audiences first, clear creative, message matched pages, and honest measurements. Do that and demand gen becomes a powerful engine that warms demand and steadies your blended CPA. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, follow and subscribe.